Lahat yan, nakabukas sa mga stores hanggang until late. And then sa loob, may mga alay din kami. Kung ano yung mga sinabi ko na may alay na may isda, may noodles, may tikoy, may prosperity mamon, and then may chicken. Lahat yan may alay. And then lahat kami kailangan magsindi ng incense and then mag-wish. Kasi ang incense is parang telephone line to heaven. So mag-wish ka kung ano mga gusto mong mangyari for that year.
Marami akong binili, mga pang-display sa bahay, at saka yung bracelet. Every year napunta ako dito para bumili ng mga pampaswerte. Siyempre, I have faith in God, but celebrating Chinese New Year is very important to me.
Since 1950s, 1960s, kumakain na daw sila dito. Yung iba nga sinasabi nila, dito pa sila bininyagan eh.
This is one of the many lessons that we can look upon the Chinese, that this kinds of celebration, this is not just it's not just their New Year. This is the time for their family to bond together, get together, to ensure that their family will stay strong and during the course of the year.